I don't know why it's not working now.
Fit check. Fit check, Rebecca. Bahama sweatshirt. Patrick Star boots.
No, no you didn't. You got one working fishing pole, one broken fishing pole, one fishing pole with the wrong weight on it. So this is all we have.
Today we're catching supper. We have no intention on limiting.
You and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full moonlight, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow.
What's that filming?
Yeah. I don't think it saw me fall in though. This is the new setup. I no longer have a shirt. She's now out to dry right here.
Hey baby, let me get you a fish. The way this is gonna end up in the vlog, I know it. In the vlog, like if I catch a fish, you need to play that and then me with the fish. You saw it, right? I saw it jump.
I did. Go catch a fish. Hey, baby. Let's go, Rebecca. Let's fucking go. Kind of hard because we don't have a fillet mat.
I know.
He's gonna be a slippery guy.
Mm-hmm. That is slippery.
I'm proud of you. This is a big fish, Rebecca.
I know.
Like, look at
This is definitely the biggest one out of any of the ones I caught last summer.
Look at this.
Like that's a beautiful fillet.
Look at this fillet,
That is
guys.
beautiful.
Wait, stick that in there. That needs de-ribbed. Look at this fillet. Are you happy you had the patience? The back tire literally was in the air. No. There's no fuck.
Did it hit anything in the bottom though?
No.
Sophie made it.
The lemon juice in my cut.
That smells good. The lemon.
Yeah, it does.
That's all I did.
Yeah.
Should we check the bottom?
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna be cooked pretty fast.
Darling, you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go?